Hi everyone, Adrian from W4Watch, and today I got the pleasure to talk about the Bird Repeater by Jaquet Droz. So quite an amazing piece here. The case is a little bit thick, but with such a high complicated mechanical movement, it's quite normal that you need a little bit of space. So the back here is wonderful, the finishing is really nice, and now we're gonna see the motion on the dial as I am pushing the minute repeater. Just to mention, here at 9 o'clock you have these waterfalls that moves, so it indicates in a way the seconds, so you know if you have to wind the piece up or not. So this is the Bird Repeater by Jaquet Droz. Thank you for watching and see you soon for our next review.